I just can't explain to you how I'm so excited I am. Oh my goodness. I'm freaking out. Okay. What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Daisy. In today's video, I went crazy. I bought a bunch of things off of Romway or Romwe. I don't really know how you pronounce it. Comment down below if you know how to pronounce it, because I actually do not know. But it's a new app and it's really cute and pink. It has a lot of cute stuff like jewelry and shirts and clothes, really cute trendy stuff. Also, Romway or Romwe, however you pronounce it, is not sponsoring me. It's just I love that online store. It is so good. I ordered this package, what I'm about to show you guys. It comes in 6 to 8 days. So, what I got in here, I'm about to show you what I got in here. Okay, so for the first item on my list, I bought this adorable pearl necklace that is super cute. I don't know if you can see that really well, but it's adorable and I am obsessed with it. It's so cute. I basically just bought mainly necklaces because necklaces are the best. So next, who wouldn't want a shell necklace? Puka shells, y'all. Cutest thing ever. I'm so excited about this one. Let me try it on actually. Seriously guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. Just look at that. Oh, that's so beautiful. I'm obsessed. Okay. Next thing I got was another shell necklace, and it's white. And it's, I'm fixing to try this on. Y'all knew it. Y'all already knew I'm fixing to try it on. No wonder it's called a choker. I'm serious. Look at this. I'm in heaven. I love it so much. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Isn't it so pretty? Moving on. Next up, I got telly ties. I don't think they're on brand telly ties, but they're like off-brand telly ties, I guess. They're super cute. There's 8 of them, I'm pretty sure. I didn't really count, but that's what it said, I think. So, pink, another pink, so 2 pinks, 1 green, one dark purple, 2 light purples, and then 2 like whitish silvers. You guys, this is beautiful. Shouldn't have done that. Feeling good. Ow! Like I should. Next up, we have this beautiful shirt. Yo. I'm so proud. Y'all. Okay. I've been waiting so long for this. Well, not so long, but long enough. It's like tie-dye and it says good vibes. Y'all know I'm fixing to try this on. Look how seriously cute this is. This is, no kidding, probably the cutest shirt I've ever seen in my life. And the material is like stretchy and it's so comfortable, like really comfortable. I can't explain to y'all how much I love this shirt. I'm wearing it everywhere because it's my favorite. We already have a bond. Oh, last but definitely not least. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. This beautiful gold star choker necklace. Stick to try it on, so whoop, you guys. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Seriously, look at this. I feel like a star. That's all. All of this stuff was $1 each, like $1.95 or $1 each, like $1. Go get you some stuff. get you some necklaces and shirts and off-brand telly ties because they are so cute and they work. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it.
I'm having the roughest day today.
I hope it helps you decide to go get you some of these or not, but I hope you do because they're the best, and Runway is so good. Or Runway, y'all, I'm really having a struggle time. I'm having a struggle party. I'm on
a struggle bus.
So if you want some of these cool items, go and get yourself some from Runway or Runway. Also, follow me on my social media, TikTok, which is happydais.y. Also, Instagram is happydais.y. Make sure to comment down below how to pronounce Runway or Runway. Also, which one of these items were your absolute favorite? I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Thursday.